Hi everyone, welcome to my new channel, The Crazy Easy. Today I gonna talk about the town hall conducted by corporate team for simplified journey of Wings One. So if you are completed even a one track and having a band A or B, then you would have received a communication for corporate team to register for November cycle, and they are also providing the option that if you haven't completed any one of the track and if you are interested, then you can go and self declare the competencies to become eligible. Also, self declaring competencies means that you have already knowledge in that subject and don't need to go through the learning. So do not self declare if you are not competent just to become eligible. This is suggested by corporate team. So for the eligibility, you should complete some learning on the IE wall, or as per the new rule, they are providing the self declaration of the tracks as per your choice. Both the tech track and non tech track can be declared as per your choice. And another eligibility criteria, that is you should have a C1 grade or below and having a A or B performance band. Now talking about the November Wings One cycle, they are considering the they are conducting a physical assessment for this cycle, as previously they are conducting the remote assessment due to work from home policies, but now onwards they are conducting a physical assessment. And cutoff date is extended as 22nd October till 6 p.m. If you are really interested to take up this TSLP, then you, and if you haven't completed any learning, then you can go for the self declaration of core tracks as per your choice, tech track or non tech track. And 27 will be the last date for the registration. I already created a video for the registration, how to do it, then you can go and please check it. Next will be the TSLP 2.0. There are some changes made by corporate team, and they are named as a TSLP 2.0. It's a modified version of TSLP 2.1. So these are some changes. First change they is there will be three cycles for the assessment, as previously they are considering only two cycles. They are conducting only two cycles, one in the July and second will be in the November, but from now onwards they are considering three cycles, May, August, and November. Previously, they are considering total 21 tracks to be completed. Needs to be completed by associate to become a Wings were certified associate, but now they are only considering 12 tracks. In that tech tracks, only 50 learning hours will be considered, and out of the seven, only two will be considered as per by chosen by you. For the big skill track, 60 learning hours will be considered, and out of the four, you should clear the two as per your choice. And articulation tracks, only 40 hours will be considered, and only one assessment will be there. As previously, there was a two assessment. One is for MCQ, and another is for learning and reading detail, but right now they are combining both the things in a one assessment, so you have to clear only one assessment. There is a no process, there is a no change in the process tag. That's previously also only one assessment is conducted, and now also they are conducting only one assessment for process tag. Now, no restriction on cycle count. As previously, there is a restriction that you, to become a Wings One certified, you have to complete that journey within a six cycle only. But now they are removing the restriction that you can take up this course and complete this journey till you are eligible and fall under the eligibility criteria. Now, the most important point is incentive. So, incentives would only be paused, not stop. Will start again the subsequent year if you moves up to A or B band. That means, suppose you got the incentive from this year, and in the next year you got the C band. So you have to manage it to the next year. You should get the A or B band. Then your incentive will be start again. Okay, moving on to the passing criteria. So this is the passing criteria. For the passing level, you should get the 50 or equal to 50, and less than 60 will be considered as a passing criteria for the technical bit skill and process type. And for the articulation, a bit high criteria is considered like a 50 or equal greater than equal to 50 and less than 70 will be passing criteria for the articulation type. And the distinction criteria will be greater than equal to 60 will consider for technical biz and process, and for the articulation greater than equal to 70 will be considered. So if you are really interested in this Wings One journey, then go for it. Self declare the competency and do register for this Wings One. And if you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section. I will try to answer it. And if you like this video, then do like it. And do you want any other video, then do let me know in the comment section. I will do it for you. Till then, be happy and keep watching, and do subscribe to my channel also. Bye bye.